Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to switch ear hooks on the PS3 EX-01 Bluetooth headset for PS3, obviously. So here I've got the headset with the ear hook on left. I want to change it to right. So I'm going to pull it first. You pull this part off. Just with your fingernail, just pull it out. And now you have to pay attention to these 4 dots right here. 2 here and 2 there. So carefully pull it out from here, here, and here. To make the camera better. There. Pull it down like this. And yeah, there you go. So this is how you change PS3 EX-01 headset's ear hook, and I might be making further how-to videos like this. So now you have to still add this piece back on so everything is secure. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just snap it on until you hear a click. Yeah, there you go. And you're all ready.
So, let's get straight to it. Come on.
We getting there and money. We getting there and money. Holla, she get holla in the balla. Many islands seen in the mala. We getting there and money. We getting there and money.
Now there ain't no way to